How to do the OLL case 9 step by step. Let's do this. You have to see this case is formed by these 3 yellow squares and one here. You can see this pattern here. 2 down here, 1 on the right side, 1 up here, and 1 on the left side. Now I will show how to solve it. You have to see, you have to move this layer, the right layer. Now you move in this direction. Now you return, you return one more time. Now you move the front layer like this. Now you do a double move. You go again here, go down, come back, and return the front layer. Now I'll show it a little bit faster. Let's do this. And that's it. Subscribe my channel to help me to do more contents like this, and comment below if you liked the video and if you want more videos like this. I'll wait you for the next contents. Take care.